Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I decided to go ahead and take everything out of the bags and show you my small grocery haul. Come on with me, guys. All right, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, this video is a part of the Foodie grocery haul, and that's being hosted by myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. And I do have Debbie Bubbles hosting with me. I almost forgot who was hosting. Now, let me show you what I got. Let's see. Once a week, I get the dogs their dog food. I haven't been able to get to Sam's, so I grabbed this for 20 bucks. It's probably cheaper buying it at Sam's at 50 cans, I think, or 52. So they usually eat this. And then this bag here of Beneful. Now this is the Purina Beneful. Incredibites for small dogs. Now both the dogs like this. I was very surprised Nina was eating this because she has trouble chewing hard stuff. And I mix them both together. This will last them all week. And this is like $5 and something. So today my bill for this was like $156 for this stuff right here. So this is what the dogs have. This will last them all week until I go shopping. Like I said, not everybody does their grocery shopping once a week. Sometimes it's every other week, or sometimes you're popping in the store all the time. I try to take you with me when I do that, pop in the store. And I'm starting, just so you know, guys, I'm starting to go through sections. So you might want to go ahead and not miss those videos, because I try to hit certain sections, like the dessert section. That's a huge section. And today I think I did the charcuterie board stuff, and also the ready-made things. So you might want to check out, I did my first one today. And whatever section I'm in and whatever section you guys would like me to go to, that's the section I'll go to and go ahead and videotape for you. So, but today I did record, when I did this haul, the charcuterie board section and the ready-made stuff. It's in the produce area in the coolers. So let's continue on with this. All right, so we have the cage-free large white eggs. I got 2 of these because I am baking a little bit more, especially the stuff I'm taking to school, and I'm making it low carb, high protein. This is the sugar that I am using, so I'm trying to get back on track here. So it's the organic stevia, and these are in the packets. You can buy it in the baking pouches. I did not do that this time, so. And then Matthew wanted some provolone, so we got some provolone. Switch up the cheese for making our sandwiches. And then he also wanted the sliced pepper jack. So I got 2 of these. I wanted to cube up some of this Colby Jack, so I got 1 of these. This is the cheese I usually use to throw in our sandwiches, and I also throw this in when I'm trying to make a cheese sauce for some of his meats. And so I got a honey. We needed some more honey, so I got him that. He asked me for some Propel. So you do have to stay very hydrated, especially here in Colorado. The elevation is over 9,000 if you're up in Woodland Park. So I guess right here where I am is probably 8,000 feet above sea level. You need to stay hydrated, and they do have those oxygen drops. I never heard of this stuff until I moved here. We don't use that in Pennsylvania, so I just grabbed the flap tie garbage bags because I needed some. And then I also needed some cream cheese to make that recipe. And so stay tuned for quick and easy meals. There is someone who is starting quick and easy recipes, and that doesn't bother me some. We'll just keep it going. Okay, so we have the frozen florets, and I bought 3 bags of those. And then we couldn't do without the blueberries because I definitely want to add blueberries to what I'm baking and making homemade. And so I bought 3 frozen bags of those. Then I got 3 of the heavy cream. I do have baking powder, so I'm thinking of the recipe I have to make. So we also been liking the lasagna. I either make it with the noodles or without the noodles, guys. It tastes delicious either way. You can use eggplant. I'm not using eggplant. I do have some cauliflower in the fridge. You can improvise with your ingredients to make it low carb. So 1 of the ground beef. Then I decided, I don't think he knows, but I got him some Italian sausage, the mild one. So I got that just to switch stuff up a little bit. And then I just wanted some country style ribs. So I just grabbed this packet right here. And I'm going to be cooking that in the crock pot. And I changed from the ham to the smoked turkey breast. This lasts us all week, and I still have some ham left. So like I said, the heavy cream. I always use heavy cream. I do not use regular milk. Neither one of us can have that. And then we got 2 of the yogurt. I am using the cottage cheese for my recipe. So we got 2 of the Greek yogurt light, 1 of the cottage cheese. I got another loaf of the sandwich, the white. This is the Great Value brand, a white sandwich bread, and that's the meat that I just showed you. We also stocked up on all the water, so we had like how many gallons of water? I'm gonna say probably about 12 gallons of water. So we're trying to decide if we want the machine or not. But in the meantime, we just grabbed the gallons of water. We're actually drinking less water now, I guess because it's getting colder. But you know what? I am always drinking water, so I can't even really say that. But today, it did not show that. So anyway, this was my haul here. And like I said, I don't have my receipt on me. It's in my jacket. And I spent about $150-something. And I don't know. This by itself was $7. That's crazy to me. Really is. This was another $5 or $6. And then so when you add the meat up, it takes up about 20 or close to $30 just for that by itself, not including this. And also the heavy cream is very expensive. So it's multiple things that play in our bill. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the shopping haul as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.